Welcome! Today we will have a look at the one-trick pony, the one and only Nathan Oakley. Why do I call Nathan a one-trick pony? The reason is simple. When he finds something he loves to talk about and things proves the silly flat earth, he stick to it for a long time. Some years ago it was the black swan, and lately it have been astronomical, navigation and sixteenths. And today we will look at his latest favorite topic, circle navigation.
I should really announce what the video is called. This is called Bridge Tour Super Yacht Transport Ship.
Some old voyage preparation.
So if you were to put a great circle on the chart, it will appear as a curve, not a straight line.
So on this Mercator projection, this will be like this, like you see
on the screen.
Because on the exit screen is also Mercator projection.
Yeah.
This video he have found at the channel Super Yacht Captain. It's a great channel by Tristan Morlock. I will talk a bit more about the original video later on.
Okay, so you're saying on the Mercator projection what we show you is a curved line.
Absolutely.
But on the real Earth it is like this, like the straight line.
Yes.
Okay, so in reality, straight. On the map, curved. Right? Well, what are the lines on the map? Oh, well, they're circles. The straight lines on the map are circles. Yeah. Circles of equal elevation from Polaris. All right, I see. So we've got curved lines as a grid system that are straight, and therefore a straight line appears curved. That makes sense.
Perhaps Nathan have understood this, or let's look more on
but
this
ultimately, what's
video.
happening in reality? We're travelling straight. Why the hell would you travel this big-ass boat in a curved path when it'll take longer?
Oh dear, you don't travel in a circle when you circle navigate. You don't go a further distance. Oh, so stupid.
What the ballers claim is that curved line is a straight line. That's their claim. Because you don't deviate. They literally call a curved line a straight line. I will shout out Bev for this because Bev had him saying this. This is where he got the curvizontal from. Because that's where that came from. Was they were claiming that a curved line that you're not deviating from on your path. If you were taking a curved path, then that's a straight line. That's what the ballers, that's how they like to think about it. Bendizontal. That's it. Bendizontal, yeah. So yeah, Bev did have him talking about bendizontal.
Wait, hold on. A curve, if you're following a curved line and you don't deviate from that curved line, you can consider that line straight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What the hell? These people are getting crazier and crazier.
And all his silly friends in the panel are exactly as stupid as Nathan. Let's look at it a bit closer. I will move up to my office and show you a bit more why Nathan is so damn stupid. Nathan's biggest problem is that he is too stupid to understand this model that you see on the screen. A globe that I think they had in Nathan's classroom if he ever went to school. If you understand this, you also would understand the need of map projections and why we circle navigate. To understand the need of circle navigation, you must understand why we need map projections. If you're navigating a ship and are using paper charts, it wouldn't be so practical to have the paper chart in the shape of a globe. It's much more practical to have flat charts that you can mark your routes on, calculate distances and so on. But the problem is that all map projections are distorting reality. Sizes of countries, shapes, distances and so on. So, depending on where on the globe you're navigating, different projections are the best. The projections that are great in the polar regions is not so good at the equator, and so on. But today, when we have electronic charts in a computer on the ships, it's much easier to navigate. The systems are helping you plotting a great circle. The paper chart in the video was a Mercator chart, but how do you do it without the computer? How do you plot a great circle on a Mercator map? Here is the easiest way to do it. This is the mnemonic map projection. As you see on this map at the pool regions, it's quite correct, but if you go further south, the landmasses get very stretched out and looks very strange. But one thing you will get correct on this one, and I will show it on this image. If I, for instance, draw a straight line between San Francisco and Yokohama in Japan, you get the closest route between those two locations. And then if I make waypoints on several places on the line and take the longitude and latitude and plot them on the Mercator map, you will see the great circle. And this is the closest way. If we make the same line on Google Earth, and it all makes total sense. The straight line is the closest between 2 points on a globe. So when you're circle navigating, you are traveling on a straight line on the globe. Nathan and his foolish friends was laughing at two professional captains talking about navigation. He did find the video at the YouTube channel Super Yacht Captain, and it's run by Tristan Morlock, a captain on super yachts. A quite interesting channel if you're interested in navigation, ships, boats, super yachts and so on. I think he explained things very well. And the video Nathan used was from when the super yacht Tristan worked on was sold and was transported from Mediterranean to Florida. The yacht was transported on a ship named Yacht Express, 209 meter in length, and the man we saw was the captain on this ship. A captain on a ship transporting crazy expensive yachts across the Atlantic. And Nathan and his silly friends thinks that they know more about navigation than those two professionals. How stupid can a human being be? Obviously, there is no limits when it comes to Nathan Oakley. I want to thank you all that helps me help Ukraine. I will receive the next drone, I believe, today, and then I will send it to Ukraine. If you want to help me, the best way is to donate using PayPal. Thank you very much. as you all see, I'm on screen. As I told before, I'm working on my studio here in Sweden. I'm building it down in my basement, but I have no internet connection in my basement yet, so I can't make any live streams from here at the moment, but that's a problem I will solve. I hope you liked this video about Nathan and his foolish ideas about circle navigation. I will be back soon. Hope to see you then. Have a great day. Bye.